How to add customers in Xero. So first of all, you have to log into your Xero account and you can head over to the contact section right above here. Click on contacts and you can see there, click on the customers right there. And here will be a list of all the customer which is being added for your business. So you can edit and find all the customers. If you want to add new customer, you can click on the new contact section right there and click on new contact, and you can add a name, account number, which is unique according to your customer. You can also add the first name, email. If you want to add an additional people related to that contact number, if you want to add the business information like phone number, area, website. You can also add the website link. You want to add more details like addresses, you can add there, the financial detail, sales defaults, purchase defaults. So you can add up things there. Like sales defaults, you can add accounts. Right? Let's say I want to sell tires to this customer, and every time I will purchase a tire, that it will be categorized in the part of the sales by tire. So it will be categorized specifically. If we set sales default or purchase default, it will be much easier for us to add up specific accounts related to that supplier or customers. So you can add different banking details, all the details saved right there. So that's how you can add new suppliers, or if you want to edit any customers, you can head over to the section. You can search my name like Bank West, which is in front of us. So it will show us, we can click on three dots right there and click on edit. So all the customer which we want to edit, we can edit them right there. You can click on edit, you can edit the customer information, and boom, you can edit everything you want, the details, the sales defaults, financial details, addresses, bank information. So that's how you can edit customers and find new customers and add new customers into your Xero account. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.